Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best garden essentials available, the Easy Gardener 7402 OPS sunscreen fabric. If you're looking to enhance your outdoor space with shade and comfort, this might just be the perfect solution. Let's kick things off by exploring what makes this sunscreen fabric from Easy Gardener stand out. Designed to reduce temperatures and provide essential shade, this fabric is not just a practical addition but also a durable one. First off, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you have an arbor, patio, or even a play area that needs some relief from the sun, this fabric delivers. It blocks up to 87% of harmful UV rays, ensuring your outdoor time is both enjoyable and safe. Installation is a breeze, just lay it out and secure it. Plus, maintenance is hassle-free. A quick rinse with the garden hose keeps it clean and looking good as new. Durability is key when it comes to outdoor products, and this fabric doesn't disappoint. It's built to last, resisting fading, shrinking, mold, and mildew. That means your investment stays protected season after season. It's clear that users appreciate its effectiveness and longevity. Imagine transforming your backyard into a cool oasis with this Easy Gardener fabric. Whether you're hosting a barbecue, playing with your kids, or just enjoying a quiet afternoon, the comfort it provides is unmatched. Now, how does it stack up against similar products? Well, its ability to reduce temperatures by up to 15 degrees sets it apart. It's an investment in comfort and protection that you won't regret. Let's hear from some users who've incorporated this fabric into their outdoor spaces and see how it's enhanced their lifestyles. Of course, no product is perfect. While the Easy Gardener sunscreen fabric excels in many areas, it's important to consider factors like size and color options to ensure it fits your specific needs. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting solution to beat the heat and enjoy your outdoor areas more comfortably, the Easy Gardener 7402 OPS sunscreen fabric is a top contender. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and tips from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.